Oh no! Heartburn strikes again! You know that feeling when your stomach or your heart is burning and you can't shake it off? Well, have no fear, my friends. Today, I'm going to talk about natural ways for you to reduce those pesky symptoms of heartburn, otherwise known as GERD. So buckle up and we'll continue on this journey towards optimum health. I'm Dora. I'm an unconventional pharmacist turned functional medicine nutritionist, and I help my patients to thrive while minimizing the need for medications using the power of food and your body's natural healing ability. The first step is to identify your food triggers. Keep a journal like this so that you can track what you eat and when you get your symptoms. That way you can eliminate any culprit foods from your diet to avoid future discomfort. Some of the more common culprits include things like fatty foods, fried foods, spicy foods, caffeine, citrus. Some people even complain to me about dairy or eggs. Everybody's different, so it's a great idea to keep a journal so that you can keep track of what causes you problems. Another simple solution is to stay hydrated. Try and drink plenty of water throughout your day, but especially before and after your meals. So maybe half a cup or a cup of water, and this will help to reduce or neutralize any extra stomach acid, plus it'll help ease your digestion. Bottoms up! Might sound silly, but chewing your food thoroughly can also help. When you take the time to chew your food well, your stomach doesn't have to work as hard to break down your food, thus reducing the chance of heartburn and improving your digestion. Ginger is another natural remedy you can try to help you reduce symptoms. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory properties. It can help soothe and calm down any heartburn. You can grate a little nub of ginger into a tea strainer. And then you cover it and let it steep for about 10 to 20 minutes, and then it should be ready. You can add a bit of honey or even cinnamon if you want to add a little bit of sweetness to it. Next up, cabbage juice. Believe it or not, cabbage juice can also do wonders. It's full of gut-soothing nutrients like glutamine that reduce inflammation and heal the lining of your digestive tract. I like to use purple cabbage, but you can also use green, about a quarter of a cabbage, and then I add a little bit of apple and a little bit of ginger, just for a little added sweetness. And then I add a cup of water so that it all blends together nicely. And then I strain the pulp with a sieve, and it's done. I promise it doesn't taste as bad as it sounds. Give it a try. Finally, try incorporating some herbal teas into your daily routine. These gut-soothing teas like chamomile or peppermint help to relax the muscles in your digestive tract, making you feel better and reduce inflammation. Well, there you have it, some natural ways of relieving your heartburn and stomach upset. Please be sure to check with your doctor if your heartburn is really severe or it's been a long-standing problem. Otherwise, thank you for joining me on this journey towards optimum health. Please be sure to like, follow, subscribe if you want to learn more about how to optimize your health while reducing your medication use, and stay strong and healthy. See you in the next episode.